Hello YouTubers, my name is Rodrigo and in this video I will show you a little bit and some information about the Serbian flag. This is the oldest flag with the colors red, blue and white, the Slavic colors, and it dates back from 1008 AH. And as you can see here, these colors, red, blue and white, red and blue are the colors which the Orthodox Church used to picture Jesus. You know, they have pictures in their churches called frescas, and in these pictures Jesus is wearing red and blue clothes. We can see here too the double-faced eagle with this shield, with the white cross. It is from the Byzantine times, as you can see here. And as well, from the Byzantine times you can see this. It is called by Slavics C, 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 4 times C, or by the Greeks B, 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 B. And so it means king of king and sovereigns of sovereigns. And so this is the first meaning of it. But nowadays most part of Serbians call it only unity save Serbs. In the original, samo sloga Serbian Spasivo. And so we can see here this crown. This crown is from the Nemanids dynasty. He was a king from Serbia in the old times, and this crown has 40 pearls. We also can see here these two pictures called fleur de lis, and it is a gift from France because in the history there was a French princess who got married with Nemanich, and so we can see here the fleur de lis. And this is a little bit I have to tell you about the Serbian flag. We can see here the eagle, and the eagle forms a cross. You can see here the white cross and the big cross made by the eagles. And so these are some meanings from the Serbian flag, as you can see. And a curious thing is that Serbia nowadays is a republic, but even though they have a crown in their flag. And so this is all, guys. If you have anything to tell, to say, post a comment here below. Okay, this is all. See you. Goodbye.